Good morning, my lovers. We're back out on the fields. I'm with Tony today and we've already found some relics right now. I found a relic on my first hole. Tony's found 2 relics and we're going to see what they are right now. Oh, we're right in the spot where Matt found his Roman silver coin. This is one of Tony's relics and it is definitely a thing. It looks old. Quite thick metal, whatever that is. Some sort of scroll? Don't know. What do you reckon, my lovers? Cack or something nice? Oh, it's my first relic, and that looks old as well. Some sort of a little clippy thing. Definitely got an old look about it. Let's give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. Yeah, there it is. No decoration apart from those little holes. Right, let's go and see Tony's next relic. Oh, here's this relic. Lovely little spectacle buckle. Yeah, little spectacle buckle. About 500 years old. Tudor. Lovely jubbly. We're hitting the relics today. Oh, I've got a nice signal down this ear hole. Banging. Oh, there it is. And it is. It's like some sort of a rim off of something. Could be Roman. Oh, I got a bit of gold gilt on it. Just there shining. Where's the sunlight gone? Ugh, pesky sunlight. I want some sunlight. Is it gold gilt? Yes, it is. Just see it there on the rim. Just twinkling. So whatever that was. It's a thing. But I don't know what. Right, on to the next. Oh, I've got something down here. What's that? A bit of pottery. Edge of a plate, but here I got a relic. Oh, I think it's just a bit of a bit of an oil lamp. Just a bit of an oil lamp. Right, on to the next. Oh, Tone's found something.
Stanley knife. Great Mills.
Oh, a Stanley knife.
They've been gone about 20 years now, haven't they?
Yeah.
I said, love Great Mills.
It's a bit squashed.
Yeah. But it's a good shop, Great Mills.
They might have some spare blades inside. Do you remember they used to keep the blades inside, didn't you? Great Mills.
A bit rusty, I think.
Yeah, they went bust, didn't they, Great Mills?
Yeah, there used to be one in Longwell Green, weren't there?
Yeah.
Bristol.
Lovely jubbly. Oh, we reckon we got something here. Tony's onto a relic.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not a piece of cack.
I think it's out.
It's out somewhere.
I think so.
Oh, it's in there.
Oh, I bet it's really shallow. Put it right on the top.
Ah, it's a pesky buckle.
No signal there, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, they do. Oh, I thought that was going to be something epic, but you know, it's just a pesky buckle. Oh, Tone reckons he's got a coin.
Well, it's a banging signal, all right. That's in the coin realm. 85 on me dais. However,
we have been digging a lot of cack.
It could be cack. Can I borrow yours, Craig, again, please? This thing's...
Yeah. Oh.
It's definitely in there, I think.
Oh, it's out.
It's out, I think.
He's a monkey's uncle.
Guess what? No!
That's what he said.
It's a moo tube.
He said if this weren't a coin, he's a monkey's uncle.
I did say that, actually, yeah. Yeah, I did say that. It was just a banging signal.
Oh, I've been digging up endless cack. Me and Tony, haven't we? We've been digging up nothing but cack for the last few hours. And then you just plod on and eventually you might get something quite nice. And that's it. Oh, it's a bit crusty on this side. But this side looks a bit better. Oh, it's a jeton. I think it's a jeton. Is it a jeton? No, it's not. No, it is a Bristol farthing. It's a Bristol farthing. Right, I'll give this a bit of a rubber dub and I'll get back to you. Yep, there she blows. Bristol farthing. CB. What's it say? It's like 1670. Is it 1670? Let's give it a bit of a rub. Yeah. This must have been the face down side. Yeah, it looks like 70. Yeah, it'd be 1670. Lovely jubbly. This side's much worse. It's like rough to the texture. It might clean up if I got a toothpick or something on it, but it feels really rough. Lovely jubbly. Good things happen to those who wait. Oh, I was just digging this ear hole and I thought, oh, it's a piece of cack, not another piece. I've been digging loads of cack. Anyway, here's the thing, and I just looked at it a bit closer. It's got stuff on it. Looks like it's got stuff on it. Looks like it was silver plated at some point. Looks like a sort of a Roman urn shape. There's a little hole there, so it must have had one on this side. And maybe one on the bottom. But it does look a bit urn shaped. Right, I get my toothbrush and I give it a bit of a brush up. Looks silver on this side, look. That's sort of like a silvery colour. I think it's just plated though, because you can see it was coming off. Right, I get this brushed up and I'll get back to you. Oh, I forgot to do this yesterday, so I'm doing it today. But yep, it looks like some sort of an ancient urn. People talking in the background. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I just had that relic. Where was it? Over there somewhere. And then I had a bit of lead, and now I've got a coin. I'm on a roll. Been waiting all day for a roll, and I'm on one. I haven't been doing any live digs because there's a lot of cack in the ground. Well, yeah, I've got a coin here, and it's very thin. Oh, that really is a jeton now. Look at that. It's a jeton. Wow. It's been holed, look. That's the find of the day for sure. Hammered jeton. Oh, yes. Lovely jubbly. Clegg has found a good spot here. I'm going to have to come back here with the GPX when I get my new coil. Yes, look at that. Right, I'm going to give this a gentle clean up and get back to you. God, there she blows. Look at the details on that. Is that some sort of globy thing? And lots of squiggly lines. Lots of squiggling going on. And on this side, even more squiggly lines. Oh, is that a person? Looks like, is that a foot? Looks like some sort of winged creature. Don't know. That's a bit weird, isn't it? What's that? It's been holed, so it's something important in its day. Oh yes, lovely little hammered. 2 hammers. Wow.
We get hammered tonight.
What a day. What's that say on it? It says W-I-N-C-K. Wink. Wink. Don't know. Right, let's see if you can identify that. Oh, I think I got something here. $45. Could be silver. Oh, I can see it. Oh, it's not a penny, is it? It's not a pesky penny. Oh, it is. It's a pesky penny. Why do they always sound so sweet? Oh, spendable. That's it, me lovers. I'm cream crackered. I'm heading off home.
Me too.
Cheers.
Cheers.